adventures. Make a smoothie with Eli from the book of Eli Adventures.
Smoothies are delicious, smoothies are fun.
Let's get it started. Everyone. First put the water in nice and cool. Grab your favorite fruit. Smoothie rules. Strawberry, juicy and sweet. Tan, blueberries, nutritious to eat. Tan, watermelon, so fun and free.